Hello, everybody. So we're back to look at another TOEFL question, um, specifically a reading one. So remember, just in general, when you are doing these questions, yes, the reading questions on the TOEFL exam, please make sure to always read very, very carefully, and always look for important information. Okay. So, for example, we're going to read this now. So let's look here. So this is just one sample question, no? Let's look at this. So the honeybee plays a crucial role. Okay, so it's important. Okay, so as you're reading, you should put synonyms, no? So it plays an important role in agriculture because it is responsible for pollinating a wide variety of crops. Okay, so it pollinates, it helps to grow. It's very, very important in something. So you know that the answer is going to be something to do with the honeybee being important. Okay, being important. It's important in society, in the world. Okay, so without honeybees, many fruits, vegetables, and nuts would experience a sharp decline. So they're once again very important, right? So you should keep that in mind. Very important, very important. In recent years, however, okay, whenever you see however, this is important too, because this is like contradictory, no? However, like another point, no? Honeybee populations have decreased dramatically due to habitat loss. Okay, so they're important, but what? Their population is decreasing. Pesticide use, okay, and disease. So these are the reasons why. Okay, so they're important, and they're losing their population, and they're giving some reasons here. Scientists warn that this decline could threaten global food security. Obviously, right? Okay, so now let's look at the question. Okay, so let's look here. That's the question option. So, according to the passage, why are honeybees important, right? So, why are they? So, they are important, right? The question is citing that. Okay, so this is giving you like a hint. So, they are important, right? Why are honeybees important? So, they are important, but why? They produce honey which is sold worldwide. Okay, that doesn't really state anything about it being sold worldwide, right? So, this is wrong. This is wrong. They pollinate many types of crops. That was specifically stated. Yes, remember? Remember we said that in the beginning? So that looks good. So this is like a detailed question. So that's correct. But always read the other options. So they protect plants from pesticides? No, it didn't say anything about that, right? It's actually said that pesticides are killing them. Okay, you have to be careful. It said pesticides, but it said that they're killing them, so that's wrong. They prevent diseases. Nothing was stated about diseases, right? So this is wrong. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so you have to always in TOEFL look for the most appropriate answer. So just quickly here, you're going to get words that kind of you have to be careful. Oh, yes, it said pesticides. Check. No. But it didn't say anything about they protect plants from pesticides. No. Okay, so that's wrong. Okay, so always look at how TOEFL is trying to trick you. Okay, so this is kind of C is trying to trick you in a way. Okay, so B would be the correct answer. Okay, thank you.